Hello all, welcome to another video on my channel. Today Tesla full self-driving takes me for a ride in some very interesting conditions. It is pretty foggy and wet today, and we will be coming back after the sun comes down. Enjoy the video. Let's start the autopilot. This is often a challenging intersection as we have cars coming from the right. I think this point of view camera will be good. And let's see. There's a car coming. I had to take over and I have to explain. It's sharp blind intersection where people don't really follow the rules and try to turn behind me as I pull forward for visibility from the right side. 5 p.m. rush hour traffic, rather be safe than sorry, so I took over and let the autopilot continue after. Although Tesla did follow the law and went exactly where it needs to go. And its own lane. Let's move forward. Let's go. And let it continue. Speed limit is 35. It will go up soon. Remind me to apply force to the wheel. So I'm gonna hold my hand on the wheel. Try not to intervene. This road has lots of curves and lots of ups and downs. So let's see how car handles it. So this is a challenging part. Curve and a drop. Almost like a Laguna Seca. Slow down for the curves perfectly. And now we're approaching traffic light. Signal. Green arrow. Cars are starting. He figured it out, so he stopped. Okay. Turn on red. Perfect. Lane change. Perfect. So we're gonna turn into Plaza in a second. It is a busy road, so let's see what happens. This is quite challenging as there's a small section I need to turn into right after I pass the opposite direction turning lane, but before I get into other cars turning lane. I took over, car was deciding if it would go into a turning lane or back on the road, went back and forth a couple times, and I took over. I see this quite often in Michigan. So now I will make this turn for him. Hey all, welcome to another nightly video on Auto Techie channel. Let's see how the autopilot or full self-driving does. This is a busy traffic. Let's see. That is very aggressive entrance and a lane change. Very surprising. But that's what needed to be done in order to merge. Let's see how it goes. Light turns green, off we go. I think this is a very challenging conditions for a vision system. It's getting dark and it's becoming foggy. On top of that, it is a rush hour traffic. It is 5:45 p.m. You're supposed to turn left here. I feel I need to add commentary here as it's a quite short turning lane and people will merge way ahead of time, cutting you off on the left. It's a late lane change. Could have done it better. Let's see, there are cars. He's gonna wait for another car and then go. It's pretty good. Now it's mostly straight road with some hilly terrain. Taking these blind corners nicely. The fog is more dense over here. No message about the graded FSD yet. Let's see. It's asking me to apply force to steering wheel to sense my hands, which is fine. And now it told me the full self-driving might be degraded as poor weather was detected. So I would say this looks better than what it was a mile ago, but we'll be extra cautious. We'll see what it struggles with. Same message again. We are dropping to 35. And I'm curious if it will take me to the parking lot. It will not take me to the parking lot, so we will continue without the autopilot and turn around. But we'll end the video for now, and until the next time.